All right, guys, welcome back. So let's do for the next video, next slide. So let's go for the next slide. I will just do sharp sharp so that because we already know the basics now. So I will go on now, which is schedule. Okay, which will take place as follows. All right, now I will go with this color, and then for this, let me go with this font here, this night. So let me go with 120 here. So now I will just impute everything here. I will just impute it because I don't want the video to be that long. So now at the last stage, I will just click on add again. I will go to my sticker here and then import some of the images. I will first import their wedding cards. Where is the wedding card stuff? So here is it. Import it here. Okay, let me just increase the size a little bit, and then I'll go to animation and then use a kind of animation that fit on. Yeah. Alright, I will go to sticker again and then add another one, which is their wedding picture. Let me just use this one first. So the thing is actually heavy. The thing is actually heavy. So I don't know whether it's my phone or at times it's just, So I'll increase it. Sorry. It's sliding. I'll go to the last slide here. So I have to import it again. I tell you already that the thing is actually heavy. That is why the image is actually heavy. It has so the thing is actually heavy. That is why my app is showing me this, and then I have a lot of work. So I think that's the basics you need to understand about it. So this is just how the thing is. I think I have to clear my data before it can perfectly run. So now what remains is actually for me to add music. I will go to music here and then add a kind of music. I have music on my where did I leave my music? My music audio. Sounds like he's not here. Here's it. I will put Tangata. Now let me play it. I wanted to actually put everything so that I wanted to put those images so that it can look more accurate, but because I have many projects on it and then the images actually are kind of heavy, that is why, because I actually requested for the docked, that is why. So here is just how to do your wedding video design using using your app, your smartphone. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel in order to get more update on how to turn your smartphone into something reasonable. Alright then, thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and then share. Thank you.